Hello everyone, welcome to Day to Day Human channel. Today we are going to be looking at a smart weighing machine. The product is called INSMART. I will give you the Amazon link in my description, but let's get into it. So this is the smart weighing machine. Okay, so let's see at the back. So you have the battery. So this holds two AAA batteries, and there is a unit button here. So what it does is basically, if you want to change from, currently I think this is in kg. So if you want to change it to lbs, so that's the unit conversion button for you. So that's the one. So simple weighing machine. So the interesting factor is the smartness behind this. So what it does is, it calculates a bunch of data. So for example, let me show you this. Again, the app is really good. It's very simple to use. So if you look at it, it measures your body weight, and it measures a whole bunch of other items like BMI, body fat, fat-free body weight, subcutaneous fat, visceral fat, body water, skeletal muscle, muscle mass, bone mass, protein, BMR, and it also tells you based on these numbers what will be your age. So if you look at it, so it says weight, it falls under the average. BMI, again average. It has a different categories like acceptable, too high, fitness, athletics, thin. So wherever you want to be, you can basically have that as a goal and work towards it. So fat-free body weight, subcutaneous fat, visceral fat, body water, skeletal muscles, muscle mass, bone mass, proteins, BMR, and your body age. So that's your details. So when you actually go, so you see this, this is the main page. This is where it actually measures. For example, if you keep and press, so what happens, it's not taking it. So let me stand on top of this. Have an eye on this, right? When I'm actually standing on top of this, you see it measures, and then automatically the app starts calculating the weight, and it takes the numbers are actually fluctuating, so it might take more time. So let me stand steady. Yep, there you go. So you see this, it detects exactly, like since I'm not standing perfectly on the machine, say it says no bioimpedance detected, please measure again with the following steps. Stay on the home page while measuring, stand on metal parts with bare feet, stand firmly on scale for about 10 seconds. So let's do that. Hopefully you're able to see this. So let me stand on the machine firmly now. It's actually measuring it. That's it, it's done, finish. So like 10-15 seconds, and if you look at it, say it measures my weight, and you can go to more data, and it gives you based on that weight, the current weight, it gives you all these details, right? And what you can basically do, you can even go to your charts, and this will tell you your weight, how it fluctuates, your weight, your BMI, your body fat, your body water. You can even see the graph, from how you are progressing. So this is recent, this is week, this is month, this is month. So it gives you all these details. So pretty nice and pretty useful and responsive app as well. So it says there on the top, connected, means that the machine is connected to the app via Bluetooth. That's your data, right? You can click on more data and see more details. Say the last time I took the numbers. It was on November 10. So compared to my last data, it says that I have gained 1.4 kg, BMI has gone by 0.5, body fat by 0.8 percentage, and it gives you all these details. So overall, this is really a useful product, very easy to use. The app is also very easy to use. I have been using this for more than 6 months now, no issues. I haven't changed the batteries yet, so uh, so the product looks good. Um, I believe this is needed in every household. I will be giving the product link in the description. This is a very good product. It has close to 4,000 rating and it is rated 4.6 out of 5. So looks like a good product. For the last 6 months, uh, it has done the due diligence. So no issues with the product till date. So that's about InSmart Smart Weighing Scale. If you like the video, give a like, subscribe to my channel for further videos, and share it with your friends and family. Thank you for watching the video. Have a good day. Cheers. Bye.